Hello, welcome to this unboxing for the latest Bang & Olufsen Earset wireless earphones. Now I'm quite interested to see these because I've actually been using the Bang & Olufsen original Earset 3i for some time, for some many years. You can see it's a over-the-ear headset, very adjustable, very flexible, it's very good, well built. And of course you can see that it's a cabled headset, and so Bang & Olufsen didn't refresh it when Apple removed the 3.5mm headset jack, and so I've been using it with an adapter. But as you can see, you know, with a cabled headset as it gets caught. So this, as you can see, are wireless earphones, and it's the first refresh of the Earset line for many years. So let's see what's in the box. Okay. Doing it with me for the first time, and not quite as easy to do with one hand, but we'll get there. Okay. Alright, let us see the latest Bang Olufsen Earset. Oh, nice. Look at this, is a very attractive box as well, as you would expect. Okay, so inside the box is various materials, some earbuds, a little carrying bag, that's nice. A charging cable, of course. Instructions. I like the little bag. Okay, let's look at the headset themselves now. What is the easiest way? I guess we'll pop them out from the bottom. Pop, pop. There we go. Okay. So this is very different. So like their predecessor, they have this over-the-ear component, and they have this bit which goes in your ears, and it's very flexible, very adjustable. You can adjust the height, you can adjust the curve, all sorts of things. But they're certainly very different looking. Very modern and stylish, and also quite a different, thicker design. So I'll be interested to see how that sounds, how that compares. But there we go, there's a Bang & Olufsen Earset wireless headphones.